Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear brake pads. First, always prioritize safety. Use sturdy jack stands and wear appropriate protective gear. Gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Make sure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to removing the old pads. Begin by loosening the lug nuts, then safely lift your vehicle and remove the wheel. Next, you'll need to locate and remove the two caliper guide pins or bolts. Once those are out, carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. Remember to secure the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake line, preventing damage. Finally, remove the worn-out brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and apply a thin layer of brake grease to all contact points. Install the new brake pad hardware clips onto the bracket. Then, carefully insert your new brake pads into the bracket. You'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool to make room for the thicker new pads. Almost done. Carefully reinstall the caliper over the new pads and secure it firmly with the guide pins or bolts. Reattach the wheel, then lower your vehicle and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the new pads. Finally, perform a cautious test drive in a safe area to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.